Hi everyone and welcome to 2018 Serb Fest held at St. Petka Orthodox Church in San Marcos. Each year, this tradition and culture-rich center opens its door to community. So if you are looking for a great family event and an amazing food, this is the place to come.
Hi everybody, I am at the St. Petka Orthodox Church and I am among volunteers who are preparing for a big Serb festival that's taking place on the 28th, 29th of this month. What we're doing here, we're making a traditional Serbian food, which is like a cheese strudel. And this is something new to me. I have never worked with the dough in this way, and yet I'm learning and I'm realizing this is one way to make a very good VLADA. So if you're gonna come close, let me show you what's going on. The deal is to stretch the dough as much as you can, and then we're gonna fill it with cheeses.
But first, let me take you from beginning. Dough is made with the salt, warm water and flour. Dough is then sliced and lightly stretched before it's put in a warm oil. After sitting in a warm oil for about 4 to 5 minutes, dough is ready for stretching. Unlike the filo dough that I stretch over the tablecloth, this one is stretched right on the table. Goal is to stretch the dough as thin as possible, which will allow extra layers in a strudel. Once properly stretched, the next step is adding cheese. And I mean a lot of cheese. In other parts of the world, you might find similar recipes under cheese strudel. But for Serbs, this is cheese burek. Once the dough is filled with cheese, it's folded and then it's set in a baking pan for baking. A job like this requires some effort, so there are plenty of helping hands and everybody's contributing in the best way they know how. It made me very happy to see children being involved in projects like this, because not just that they are learning important skills, but they're also learning how to give back to community. I'm sure kids will remember these moments. Not to mention, they helped us a lot. With everybody working together, we were pushing close to 150 cheese strudels. Now we just need to nicely tuck them in the freezer and wait for the big day.
Besides this amazing homemade cheese strudel, they're gonna have all kinds of other pastries, roasted piglets, and I'm pretty sure roasted lamb, and all kinds of burgers and kebabs, maybe even sarma, which is a stuffed cabbage. In any case, you will not go home hungry.